Hey everyone! You're probably wondering why we have a giant brown box in front of us. Based off the title, you might already know. So this is a little bit different than our typical video, but we're super excited to get this brown box in. It's the Dolly Parton baking collection. It went on sale February 26th at 8 a.m. I was there live when it went on sale, so it sold out I think in about 2 minutes. So that was super quick, super popular. All the items in this box are going to be coming to stores in March. So if you didn't get it, don't worry, you'll be able to get it in March. We're gonna bake everything for you as well. So haven't opened it yet. Almost put my eye out. Let's open the box here. So brown box. We got our favorite air packets inside here. More air packets. More air packets. And more air. Hey guys, we got more air. If you need air, I got you. Alright, so that's out of the way now. And wow, just looking inside this looks really awesome. So let's get it out. There it is! Woo! A Dolly Parton baking collection. We'll get this box out of the way and then we'll take a look at it. So just looking at the box, first impressions. Wow, looks kind of like a Barbie theme kind of it. They did a really good job though. Dolly Parton's baking collection, Southern style dessert recipes, Duncan Hines, and well, hello there, cupcake. That's pretty cool. Alrighty, time to open up our box here. And let's see here. Wow. This looks really cool inside there. So we got some cards, some cake mixes, the frostings, all kinds of cool stuff in there. So let's see what we got here. So we got the coconut cake card here of how to make the coconut cake. We got a couple more cards here. I'm not seeing the recipe card yet for the banana style cake, but the coconut cake here has everything you need, how to bake it, your ingredients and everything on the back. We'll link the website in the description below that has those cards online, as well as more information about it. And there's a couple of these cards here, just like little note cards. On the back is a little bit of story here. And says, I've always loved to cook. Growing up in the South, it exposed me to the Southern authentic, the authentic mom and pop kind of cooking. Baking was no different. I've had plenty of people to show me what's in the kitchen. My mama, my grandmother, and my aunt were all wonderful bakers. They taught me everything I know, from biscuits and gravy to chocolate cake. Now I'm proud to share some of those favorites with all of you. From my kitchen to yours, Dolly. So that's the little letter right there. That was a nice little note there. Taking a look here at the Southern style banana cake mix. That sounds excellent. Southern style coconut cake mix. One of my favorites is coconut, so both these sound really good. And on the back too, just a heads up, you have the recipes there as well. So if you don't have the card or cards with you, you have everything you need there. And buttercream frosting from Dolly Parton. And the chocolate buttercream frosting there. That looks pretty cool. So digging through the box, we got a bunch of that stuff. Now it's everywhere. Maybe we should have done that. There's a towel. If y'all know, I'll be the one cleaning that up. So if you are what you eat, then why not be sweet? That's a pretty cool oven towel. Really nice. I'm still regretting that decision to throw that stuff everywhere. We have a spatula here. Looks really nice. Love the colors on it. That pink with the stars on it. And same thing, if you are what you eat, then why not be sweet? So cool spatula there. And it says the Duncan Hines name on it too. And that is the box. I don't see my second card in the box. So we definitely are missing one of the recipe cards. But again, on the back here, it tells you exactly what you need, and we'll put the description below to the website so you can take a look at that online. But that's it for the inside of the box here. So we're gonna go get the stuff we need to actually make the cakes here, and then we'll give them both a try. But love the design on the box. They did an excellent job. Here's kind of everything right here. But wow, like the theming, the colors. I mean, this just screams like Dolly. You got the butterfly on here by her signature. Like Duncan Hines did an amazing job just on the theming here and the colors and the artwork and everything. Um, Looking forward to it. So, all right, we're gonna run over to the store, get everything we need, and then we'll come back. We'll bake some cakes. We'll give them a try, and let you know what they think. And then I got a mess to clean up. So we'll let you know soon what we think and show you the cakes. All right, everyone, we're back from the store. We're gonna make our first cake now. So we're gonna do this Southern style banana pudding cake is what we're doing. Here's a Southern style banana, but on the back it's the Dolly's favorite banana pudding cake. So there's all the ingredients for it. So we've got all of our ingredients right here. We got our vanilla wafers, our Jello pudding mix, our banana and butter, cool little cow there. I got our frosting there, heavy whipping cream, milk, and our eggs here. So we have all of our ingredients. So we're gonna make this one first, give it a try, and then we're gonna go and make the second cake, which is the coconut one, and give it a try as well. So let's check it out. Alright everybody, our first Dolly cake. This is the banana pudding cake that we made. It looks really good. Now we haven't been to culinary school or anything like that, so this is just a pure homemade, good looking cake. But look at that, I got the bananas, the wafers, icing. Man, that was just really good looking cake and really fun to make too. So we're going to cut some slices here, give it a try, and we'll let you know in a minute what we think of this one. Alrighty, we got our first slice of cake out there. It looks really good. And over here you can see the actual cake sliced open here. So it's got the center filling, which is the banana pudding, bananas in there, and the crushed up wafers in there. Looks really good. So we're going to try our first bite here and then let you know what we think. Alrighty. First bite of the cake right here. Got some of the chocolate frosting in there. Got some of the banana pudding center filling and the cake here. It just smells like some really good banana pudding. This is going to be good, I can tell you now. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. I don't even know the words to say right now. We don't script anything. We don't write cue cards out. We don't do any of that stuff. Sometimes you just don't know what to say. So this is one of those moments. But man, that cake is probably my favorite cakes I've ever had out of a box. That's really good. Stephanie did an amazing job making that. Wow, I'm going to eat the rest of this, and we're going to do the coconut cake up next. Hey everybody, so now we're ready for the Southern style coconut cake. It may look a little bit different. It's the second day now. Last night was midnight or between midnight and 2 o'clock in the morning. We were baking cakes and eating them. We have a problem to do. Southern style coconut cake is the next one up, and that's what you'll need on the back right there. Again, all this will be down in the description below. But we have our melted butter ready to go. We got our eggs here. We got our frosting all ready to go. This here is our milk and coconut. We got plenty of coconut here. And this one is less ingredients than the first one. So this one looks a little bit more simple. I may be seeing that too much in advance, but we'll see. But it definitely looks to be a little more simple. So we'll get it baking and we'll give it a try and let you know how it is. Alright, second cake is made. Look at that, wow. That coconut cake looks really good. Coconut cake is one of my favorites, so Can't wait to dig in. We're going to give this a try here in a second and let you know how it is. Alrighty, we got the first slice cut out of the cake here. Looks really good, lots of coconut. And got my slice right here. I'm going to give it a quick little try. Get a little bite here as it falls apart on me. That's really good. And it's coconut cake with the coconut outside with the buttercream frosting. Really good flavor there. Not as good as the banana pudding cake. This is a really good cake. Banana pudding one was amazing. So I'm going to eat this slice up here, and then we'll give you a full review on both cakes and kind of talk about the box and everything else. So we'll see you in a few minutes after I get done eating my cake. All right, everyone. We just got done baking the cakes, and wow, that was pretty cool. The Dolly Parton baking kit or box, really awesome. Really good artwork.
Yeah, it was really cool. The box came with the coconut cake, the banana cake, 2 icings of vanilla and chocolate, and the what was it?
The spatula and the towel
and this
thing.
Towel.
It had a couple of those cards in there, like blank cards to write on. Had one of the recipe cards, and the cards had a little memo. Had a little memo from Dolly in there herself. Yeah. It wasn't handwritten; it was printed, but something I think she thought of herself. It was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was a really cool box. I know they sold out really fast, so I'm sorry if you guys weren't able to get one. We tried to get a couple of them, but we were only able to get one. But as far as the cakes go, they were really good.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, we were going to try to get a couple to do a couple of giveaways for our channel. I was only able to get one of those. But as far as the cakes go, the coconut cake was really good. Nothing special over any other coconut cake we've had before, but just a solid coconut cake.
Yeah.
On the back of the boxes, they do have some extra steps to kind of elevate the cake, so to speak. So definitely follow those, especially on the banana cake.
Oh, yeah.
But the coconut cake was good. Ate it again multiple times, but nothing really special, but just a good coconut cake.
Yeah, but adding that banana pudding into the instant banana pudding into the banana cake, it made a world of difference. It really, really made that cake a lot better.
Yeah, the banana pudding cake, you added vanilla wafers. You added the fresh sliced bananas.
And the banana pudding.
The banana pudding mix. And then the icing you actually mixed with the heavy whipping cream. And so just all those ingredients together took it from a banana cake to like a banana pudding cake.
It was delicious.
And yeah, one of my favorite box cake of all time, period. And probably one of my favorite cakes of all time. Just the way the flavors went together. And it just almost tasted like you're eating like, some home cooking banana pudding. Not something you just buy from the store. That was good. And we're just happy with this box. Yeah, the box sold out like in 2 minutes. I believe it was. It's a little bit pricey, obviously $70-something with shipping for us, 12 shipping and tax.
I didn't know how much this was, guys. That's shocking.
It's just, it was fun. It was worth it. The artwork is amazing. It really just kind of captures like that Barbie-esque kind of like Dolly. Has the butterfly on the front of the box. I guys keep going on and on, but just Duncan Hines and Dolly just did an amazing job. Dolly doesn't live far from here, so basically just want to drive over there to Dolly's house and be like, "Hey, Dolly, you don't know us, but we got your box here, and it was awesome."
I think that would go over too well for us. But,
yeah, I do pass her house quite often. So it's just when it comes to stores in March, they didn't say like the spatula and towel are coming to store. I know the icings and the cake mix for sure they say are coming in March. I would imagine everything would, but in March, definitely if you can get your hands on, try them both. Especially the banana pudding, flip the box over, do the elevated way. You can't go wrong on that.
I agree.
I think, is that all?
I think that's it.
It was such a good setup. Kudos to Duncan Hines and Dolly. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We really appreciate the support. We've been going at this less than a year now. I don't know the exact months, maybe 10 months or so. Yeah. And we just appreciate everybody out there, all the comments. This is people subscribing. Just really awesome meeting some of y'all in person. So it's just been a great adventure for us so far, and I just want to say thank y'all so much. So thank you. Like, comment, subscribe if you don't mind. I'm going to go to sleep now because I've had so much cake. We did share with family. I'm not saying I didn't eat like 4 slices myself, but we did share a lot of them with family. So we'll see you soon, everybody. But thank you so much. Have a good one.
Bye, guys.
Bye.